can be stubborn, thinking I'm right. I can be late, cause I'm taking my time. I can be driven, ambitious, your best friend, love of your life. I can be selfish, trying to be kinder, always forgetting, needing reminders, but
We're 50 miles away. So, ito na yung entry to Yosemite.
Yeah,
And do you want a free map?
please.
Sign your card here.
Okay.
Put your name on that white line.
To the left, okay.
Yeah.
Name or signature?
Either.
Okay.
Alright, you keep the card, I'll take the pen.
Okay. Awesome.
Awesome.
Is Glacier Point close to the road still?
Currently, yes.
Currently. Okay. Thank you.
Have a good day. Thank you. Bigyan ka na yung map.
We're in, babe.
Continue straight. Ooh, Yosemite
So this is now
guy.
Yosemite. We are in Yosemite. Just 30 miles to the actual.
30 miles pa din?
Yeah.
Oh my God.
35 is, that's where we. I told you, babe. We're in the heart of it. Yosemite Valley, 35 miles. Yeah, babe. We're about to have to get a lot of people too.
So, andito kami, nagpipicture dito sa El Capitan. Ganda oh.
Alright, babe.
Yeah.
The most famous. This is El Capitan. That's my shirt. It's a shirt, babe.
How far away is the daughter?
Ito na tayo. And that's the waterfall. Babe, nasaan na tayo?
Yosemite Valley Lodge.
Valley Lodge. Oh, may Starbucks here. Okay, let's get here. So, nandito yung Starbucks. Tapos, dito sa kabila, yung parang cafeteria. Tapos may mga, ano din, ready to eat na food. Yan yung mga salad, bread, sandwiches. Tapos yung cafeteria nila, nakalagay, Base Camp Eatery. So, tingnan natin kung anong menu nila dito. Meron siyang, ano dito, machine to order. Kasi pag weekends, fully packed dito. Tapos, yan yung mga croissants, breakfast, egg, bacon, sausages, mga tao dyan nag-dining. Mga sauces, napkins. So, papunta kami ngayon sa falls. Just 5 minutes. Yun mga...
Yep.
Guys, we're going up.
It's like this. Don't get the orange.
So, we're going up to see the actual falls. Kasi we want to see the water. Kind of dry here sa river, but sa actual falls, there's a lot of water coming down from the mountain. So, that's our... So, nandito ngayon tayo sa mismong falls. Oh, super hard. Sa bike. So, yan. Ito yung, ano siya, parang siyang
The store. I think
Store
there's a store.
for-
There's a store, but
For what? Store na ano?
you need to get camping sticks.
So as you can see, may mga puno na parang sunog. So yan yung tinatawag na controlled fire or management of fire. Usually daw kapag old na yung mga puno, may certain area lang na susunugin talaga. Happens na kapag dry season, mas prone yun na magkaroon ng wildfire. Pero they will replace it naman. Driver natin, wala pang tulog.
So you have to like book that ahead of time.
So, U.S. District Court, Awani Medical Clinic and Hotel. Authorized vehicles only. Village store, parking to the left. Oh, we're not allowed to go there. Okay, so we're going down. Hi guys, we're here sa village store.
Exactly, I wanted for marshmallow, baby.
Oh, for mallows. Kala ko ng stick. We got Starbucks again here. Ito ba may coffee oh. Ayan, meron silang recycling din dito. Tapos, katabi na siya ng store, yung recycling. Ayan. So, medyo maaraw na. So, hindi na siya masyadong malamig. Binabalikan ni Ram yung isang box kasi dalawa yung binili niyang firewood. Tapos, itong stick for mallows. Tsaka ice. Yun na siya. Siyempre, hindi ko kaya magbuhat. Sayo pa eh.
Okay. Leaving out the campsite, babe.
In 900 feet, turn left on Happy Isle Loop Road.
Web. Shuttle bus. Shuttle bus is going around the Yosemite. Shuttle bus siya. So that you can easily tour kung ayaw mo mag-hiking or maglakad. So, andito na kami sa campsite. Nag-unpack si Ram ng mga gamit namin. Then, ito yung aming place kung saan pwede kami mag bonfire. Tapos, ito yung bear box. So, dyan mo ilalagay yung mga food para hindi ka buksan ng bear yung gamit mo. And that's the bathroom. Buti na lang malapit kami sa bathroom. So, today is Wednesday, 1 p.m. Kaya, as you can see, wala masyado dito. And also, another thing is, this spot is spice lot lang, reserve slots. So, yung ibang nadaanan namin, first come, first serve. So, yun yung struggle namin tomorrow pag lumipat kami ng campsite. Curry Village. Ganda oh. Doon tayo sa Curry Village. Ang ganda dito, aesthetic.
The weekend last Probably from night time, so we could do that. Okay, thank you.
Thank you. Alam nila na meron kang permit. Ayun. Para kung sa Korea. So, babalik muna kami sa car kasi hindi pa available for check-in. We know it's... Ha? We're going na? Oh, okay.
For a shower, right? You ready for the bed?
Yeah.
We'll just put all of these, the camping bed, we'll put it on that bed right there.
Okay.
And then
Ready na pala.
Huh?
Ready na pala. Ito ay hot water. Ito yung coffee ko. Yan. Ano na yung campsite? Yung campsite ngayon, Thursday. Mas madami na siya compare yesterday. Kasi last night, madaming dumating. Although mga 5 or 6 p.m. may mga dumadating pa rin. Tutet namin, sobrang lamig. Buti na lang kapal yung kumot namin, tsaka mommy bed.
more. That's it.
That's it. Ito na tayo. Ito na yung Curry Village. Oh my gosh, so pretty. Oh my gosh, the problem is the parking. Because we have so much stuff. Hanapin ko lang yung tent. Ang tent is there. So, mas maganda ay 5 dapat mahina lang yung boses ko kasi madami kong tutulog. Ay, mga speakers. This is it. Yeah, this is 545. Okay. Need to go back and tell Ram. Ito yung tent namin. Okay. Tapos ito yung bear box. Ito mo ilalagay yung food. So, one bedroom lang to. May upuan, mattress, meron ding blanket, isang chair. Tapos ito yung camp tent rules. Tapos may towel, extra blankets, may vault para sa mga body balls. Meron din disposable cups. And ito magazine. Tapos meron na din kayong trash cans, light. So, yun lang. Tents. Para-para lang. May big rocks dyan. Some small rocks lang. So, hindi ako masyadong maingay dito kasi baka may mga natutulog. Ayan. Yung tent namin. Tulungan ko muna si Viva. Hi everyone! So, gusto na kami mag-shower. Dito na kami sa Curry Village. Dito yung Mountaineering School, gift shop, mountain shop, grill, pizza tech, nets. Sarap. Lamig. So, kakain muna kami kasi gutom na ako.
On pizza, dude. Here's a pizza.
Okay. Pizza. El Capitan. Half dome. Specialty.
What do you want, baby?
Nandito kami ngayon sa bus. Wait. Ngayon sa bus. We're going to Mirror Lake. We're in Awani Village. Ang dami. Ganda doon. We're in Awani Village. Awani Hotel. Gift shop. Yosemite. Yosemite. Naging pilbul. Naging causes ka na dyan. So warm. Sobrang laki niyan. Everyone, and we're in Awani. Sobrang lamig. Dito kami sa may river. Sobrang ganda. Sobrang linaw ng tubig. Tingnan nyo guys. See that? Kung hindi yan malamig, nakasawsaw na ako dyan. Sawsaw lang, hindi ligo. These are cabins. Ganda oh. Ayan. Yeah, for sure. So I got my pill rosé from France. And ano sa'yo, babe? House cab. Hi everyone. As you can see, same jacket kasi isa lang nadala ko. Pero iba naman yung inner ko. And pants, iba pa din. So, day 3 ngayon. And change of plans. Magbe-breakfast muna kami kasi I'm so hungry. Babe, come here. I'm so hungry. Mukha na akong betlog dito. Or whatever. Ang lamig. Babe, pakita mo suot ko. Ganyan. Ang suot ko, akala nyo ha. Dito may field trip. Daming bata. Exactly. Camping sila dito. Saan tayo ba? Pitts Coffee. So, Pitts Coffee kami. Para din siya Starbucks. So, sarado yung Pitts Coffee. Kaya dito kami sa 710 Breakfast in Curry Village. So, they have breads, yogurt, egg, fruits, juice. Gusto kong juice. Ito ba yun?
You want prophet?
Ha?
You want prophet?
Asa?
Huh?
Asa?
Prophet?
Ano?
Yogurt prophet?
Gusto ko fruits. Pero mukhang di masarap. So, meron silang Dasani, purified water, pero I'm craving for apple juice kasi kahapon nag-orange juice ako. So, ano tayo ngayon? Ay, sliding pala to. Sabi ko, ito lang hawakan. Oh, sorry. Apple juice, tapos pancake and bacon na lang. Pancake and bacon. Wow, ano yun, babe?
Oh,
Ano yun? Chicken?
that's country fried straight.
Saan tayo magbabayad? We'll get salt and pepper. Tapos isang cup for my juice. So, sarado yung Pete's Coffee, kaya nandito na lang kami sa cafeteria. Shop. Okay, we're here in Mountain Shop. Gonna check some things here. Kotopa. So, nandito kami sa Mayapasa Grove para mapuntahan yung sequoias. Yung sequoia trees. Ayan. Ito yung gusto namin yung big trees.
So the grizzly tree is 3/4 of a mile, but we can just every time we go play it's like we can use this one. See right here? This one.
Going to this Yosemite shuttle. This is the Mayapasa Grove. Dito na kami sa Mayapasa Grove. Pero yung actual sequoia tree is gonna be like 3.25 mile away.
No, the biggest one.
Oh, the biggest one. So the hike is uphill. We're 0.3 mile away from the grizzly giant. So we're just resting here because I'm so tired. So I have inner and another sports bra. Then this one. Then a turtleneck. Na puffy jacket. Then I have this puffy green jacket. But it's uphill. I need to remove everything because I was sweating inside, like dripping sweating. We're in sequoia trees. Okay. To get here is no joke. It's uphill. I need to remove everything. Kasi boys na ako. Wait. This is where we buy the tickets. And ito yung gift shop. Tapos yung sandwiches dito lang din. Lunchtime. This is our last day in Yosemite. Oh no. Thornberry Museum. Apple peeler. It's helpful. Gold Rush City. So, yung gold panning, $10. Ayan. Yung mga presyo. Yan yung mga bowl na gagamitin. Pwede kayo magpa-member. Ito yun. History of California Gold Rush and Pan for Real Gold from the Western Sierra Nevada. So, dito mo siya tanggalin para makakuha ka ng gold. Ayan, sakasakay na kami sa train. 2:26 na ngayon. It's our last day in Yosemite. And we chose yung vlog kasi sobrang cool nito. This is so crazy how long it is. Like, ilang miles away tayo from the entrance?
Probably a mile now.
We're a mile away from the entrance and ganito kahaba yung line. Like, oh my gosh.
To get in the gate.
To get in
Yosemite.
Mariposa Grove. Whoa.
Not to Yosemite.
Hi everyone. Oh my god, look at my hair. So tired. Tapos na kami sa train. Nandito na kami ngayon sa
I gotta back up.
downtown para mag-gas. Tapos uuwi na kami. Anong tawag dito? Hindi ko alam kung anong tawag dito. Basta downtown siya. Andito yung mga gasoline station, mga tindahan, mga hotel, whatever. Ayan. Ganyan yung style. Para siyang, alam mo yun, nasa old movie ka ng American movie. Ganyan, classic. Ganyan yung style ng mga lugar at mga infrastructure. Sunset.